Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to link PayPal to TimeBank. This process allows you to seamlessly manage your international funds with ease. We will cover everything from preparing your accounts to completing the secure connection. You'll learn how to easily transfer money and keep track of your transactions. This integration offers convenience and control over your finances, making global payments simpler and more efficient for you. Before starting, it is crucial to ensure both your PayPal and TimeBank accounts are fully active and verified. You will need your TimeBank account number and other relevant details close by. Also, confirm that your TimeBank account is set up to handle international transactions. Taking these preparatory steps will help ensure a smooth and successful linking experience, saving you time and effort. To begin, log into your TimeBank online banking portal or mobile application. Once logged in, look for the Link PayPal or International Payments section, typically found under Services or Settings. Follow the clear, on-screen prompts to securely authorize the connection between your TimeBank and PayPal accounts. Finally, verify the successful linking by checking for a confirmation message within your PayPal account. Once linked, you can easily transfer funds from your PayPal balance directly to your TimeBank account. It's simple to monitor your transaction history and current account balances across both platforms. Be sure to review any applicable fees for international transfers or withdrawals, as these can vary. This integration provides a convenient way to manage your global finances with greater control and transparency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.